In this video, I'll show you how to transfer or save WhatsApp messages to your computer. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, open the WhatsApp messages which you want to save on your computer or transfer on your computer. So this is the chat which I want to save. So what I will do, I'll just click on the three dots which you can see at the right hand side. Then click on more, and here you will find the option for export chat. So just open it. Now here we have options to share this file or transfer this file. So we'll just select here Gmail. Now type your second Gmail address which you are using on your computer. The email address I'm using on my computer is the one I'm going to type. Once you do that, just click on the send icon. Now I have opened the email address where I have sent that file. So here you can see we got the email, and now here we have the option for download the chat. So we'll just click here, and once you do that, here you can see the file which we have downloaded on the computer which we have shared from the WhatsApp. And now I can just double click on the file to open the chat. So this is the whole chat history from the starting to this date. So yeah guys, that's how you can transfer your chats or transfer your WhatsApp messages on computer. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.